In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Mailchimp footer. Whether you're a seasoned veteran of email marketing or just starting out, the footer in your Mailchimp campaigns is a pivotal element that requires attention. It includes important information like your contact details, unsubscription links, and legal information. Adjusting the footer to suit your needs can enhance your newsletter's professionalism and compliance. So let's dive in and see how you can customize it step by step. First things first, we need to access your Mailchimp account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Mailchimp login page. Here you'll be prompted to enter your username or email, followed by your password. Take a moment to enter these details carefully to ensure a smooth login. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Mailchimp home dashboard. This is the nerve center of your Mailchimp activities. But for our purpose today, we'll focus on the campaigns section. So go ahead and click on the campaigns option, which can usually be found on the left-hand side menu or sometimes prominently displayed on the dashboard itself. Inside the campaigns section, you'll see a list of all your past and current campaigns. Take a moment to browse through and select the campaign you wish to edit. Once you've made your choice, locate the Edit button next to your selected campaign. This action will direct you to the campaign's overview, where you can make various adjustments. However, our target is the campaign's design, so look for the Edit Design button and give it a click. Now we're in the design editor, where creativity meets structure. On the right side of the screen, you'll notice a series of content blocks that make up your email. Scroll through these blocks until you find the footer block. It's usually right at the bottom given its purpose. Clicking on the footer block will load its specific settings on the left hand side. Here you can see all the elements that currently make up your footer. It's time to customize these to match your preferences. You can adjust text, links, and even how your social media icons appear. Remember though that certain elements like the unsubscribe link are legally required, so while you can move them around, removing them entirely is not an option. If you're looking into more advanced customization, like changing visibility settings, or maybe even delving into the HTML code, you'll find these options here as well. Clicking on visibility allows you to control which segments of your audience see this particular footer, which can be useful for tailoring messages. Meanwhile, the code option lets those with HTML knowledge make even more specific changes right in the code. After you've finished customizing your footer, it's crucial to review your changes. Take a moment to look over the text for any typos, ensure all links are accurate and confirm that everything displays as it should. Once you're happy with the new footer, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save and Close option within the footer settings. Clicking this will save your changes and take you back to the main design editor. But we're not finished just yet. Remember to also save your overall campaign changes by locating and clicking the Save and Continue button within the editor. And there you have it, a newly customized footer for your Mailchimp campaign. Adjusting the footer is a simple yet effective way to maintain consistency with your brand and ensure compliance with email regulations. Remember, the key to a successful email campaign is not just about captivating content, but also about the details that often go unnoticed, such as the footer. Thank you for watching and happy emailing. Whether you're sprucing up your newsletters or ensuring your campaigns are up to scratch legally, customizing your footer can significantly impact your email marketing success. Until next time, keep testing, keep optimizing, and keep engaging your audience.